Hi, this is BC, and for this Hyperhack, the Tinker category, I have chosen to make a marketplace made from the smart modules. And yeah, what I do is essentially I just combine the smart modules that's been being available in the Hyperverse. And today we'll be using the marketplace, smart module, simple NFT, and the simple token. So let's get started. Here you can see the front end. You can see that currently there's no listing by a user called Alice, and the admin doesn't have any launch money to purchase any NFTs. So we will change that by interacting with the smart modules that's being available. We'll start with simple NFT, and we create our own tenant. Make sure that we have a minder. Yes, we have. So now we'll send some NFTs to Alice. And we can send one more like this. And if we check Alice's account, we can see that she has like two NFTs, a zero, one with the ID 0 and one with 1. And yeah, then we can go to the marketplace, and we can make Alice list these NFTs for sale. So let's list those for sale. So 0 like this, and 1 like this. And if we refresh now, we can see that, oh yeah, so Alice has some NFTs that are being listed, and we already know they are being sold for 69, and we also know that, well, the admin doesn't have any launch money, so we need to change that. So in the simple NFT, simple token, smart module, we just make sure that we mint some simple tokens. And that's done now. As you can see, we have some launch money, and now we can purchase some NFTs. So we can start with the NFT number 1, buy the listing, and you saw there it disappeared. We can check from the smart module if Alice still, like, how many does she have now. She only has 1, which is the ID 0, and yeah, that fits. And where's the number 1? Well, that's admin has purchased that now. We also saw that the balance went down. So we can do it one more time, and as you see now, there are no more listings available, and the admin has all the NFTs. So that's basically how we could interact from a front end with the smart modules, and you can build out this even much more. You can create more smart modules that would fit your case. Essentially, what we want to do is that we want to make sure that, yeah, that the modules are as simple as possible, but you can essentially combine them together to create complex systems that's workable. So what has changed from, like, I have some experience with DAppStarter, and now, like, what has changed with the Hyperverse? It's much better that it's actually being done in React. Like, it's much easier to expand the client into something that can interact with the smart modules. The Hyperverse, like the way it's set up right now, also gives a good understanding for the tenant architecture. What I would like to see is, of course, like, more things into the simple modules. They are supposed to be simple, but you could still, like, say, where should the minimum be? As a developer, of course, you can try to expand the modules just yourself, and yeah, so you're able to do even more. And yeah, what we would be missing here is obviously the names of a listing, and being able to have transaction that could show, like, what is the name of the NFT and what's the price, right? But those are the things. Yeah, thanks for watching.